Your Lordship, may I seek Your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning Part 2, Item number 1, Your Lordship. Part 2, Item 1. Lordship, although this is fixed for today, Your Lordship,
Yes.
the leading counsel, she's gone to Siaha due to the bereavement of her.
Oh, yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
bereavement in the family, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship. So if this may be taken up on the 13th of October, I've taken the consent of the other parties.
I'm for the appellant.
Okay, so this is something that cannot be avoided.
Yes.
Mr. T. Tahir Ahmed, is it?
Yes.
Mr. T. A. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the appellant, is present, along with Miss
K. Venetia.
K. Venetia, learned
For the
counsel
respondent number 1.
for
1.
Venetia
And for 2, Your Lordship.
for respondent number 2, and Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for respondent number 1. It is submitted that since the leading counsel for respondent number 2, Ms. Dinariti Azu, is not able to appear due to bereavement of the family, adjournment has been prayed. In view of the above, list the matter after
On 13th October.
the outstation. You want to fix a date?
Yes, Lordship.
When?
13th.
Pardon?
13th October, Lordship. After which.
In view of the above, list on 13th, as prayed for, list on 13th, 10/20/25. Yes.
Problem.
In view of the above, as prayed for, list on. Yes.
Lordship, part 2, item number 5. If this matter can be taken up after a week, Lordship, for the respondent.
Why? What happened?
Lordship, the leading counsel, Mr. Samuel, he has to attend some funeral today, so he couldn't take up this matter.
So when do you want it? Tomorrow?
After a week, Lordship, we have taken the consent of the other counsel also.
List it tomorrow. Why after a week? Funeral will be today, isn't it? Don't keep the matters. What's the matter about? Oh, yes. This matter, it is concerning what?
Lordship,
Compensation.
I'm not handling this
Compensation.
matter. Yes, so
Who's the
I
counsel
don't have
for
the
opposite
counsel
party?
for the appellant is here, Lordship. VC.
Yes. Now,
Yes, my lady, I'm appealing for the petition of the appellant.
item number 5, isn't it?
Yes.
It is seen that adjournment has been prayed since when? Are you ready today, the counsel for the appellant?
I'm ready today, but we can have it tomorrow if my learned friend has a difficulty. We can have it tomorrow.
Bill Spector on Friday. Yes. Mr. Lal Ramsang Haka, learned counsel for the appellant, is present, along with Ms. Malsomi, appearing on behalf. No, your name is
Yes,
there.
my name is
Mrs. H. Malsomi, learned counsel for the respondent. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent has prayed for adjournment of the matter by submitting that the leading counsel, Mr. Who's the okay, Mr.
Yes,
Samuel
Samuel.
Malashe Changte is not able to appear due to some bereavement in the family. I think they are vaguely related, anyways. Bereavement in the family. In view of the above, list after. So will he able to appear tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'll let him know.
They might be related. The council, leading council, and the family in bereavement. So I think list it next week. Okay, list the matter. We'll make it next week. List the matter in the next week.
Duly obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lady.
Maybe, Your Lordship, my Lord, regarding part 2, item number 3. Although this matter has been fixed for hearing today, my Lord, since my senior has some personal difficulties
Who's
today,
your senior?
Mr. Joseph L. Rentley,
What is the
in consequence of him having a baby recently, my Lord.
now this matter?
Yes, my Lord.
If I'm not mistaken, isn't fit to be referred for mediation?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Right.
I will have to take instruction from my client,
Get instructions.
MBSE.
Okay. Because I was just browsing, it's this case that I was just browsing through. It is because this child, mark sheets, something wrong with the marks,
Right,
because
it's
of
my lord.
which he couldn't get admission into a certain school which he had preferred.
My lord.
But now what is the position of the child? He must have finished his schooling, must be.
Right.
Correct.
In 2017, he finished
Ah,
his plus 2 exams and
plus
62% marks, my lord.
So this is an
In
old
science.
case. I think you can settle the matter. Some amount of compensation has been paid for. So yes, so you're representing the school board. So see if they can settle with a lesser amount,
Mediation.
through mediation, isn't it?
Let the
Because-
matter be listed next week. Then in the meantime, I
No.
can take instruction from the
Get
client.
instructions, because now he's finished his schooling and his only grievance was that he was not able to get into the school which he had preferred.
My lord,
Correct.
he could not get admission in the St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, my lord.
So see whether you still want to pursue. What was the compensation amount? A huge amount, I think, was.
1 lakh something is, my lord.
So try and settle I think it's quite fit for settlement. You can dispose of the next week, isn't it?
Correct.
I think you can settle the matter. Anyways, Mr. L.H. Shima, learned senior counsel for the appellant, is present, along with Mr.
Eldrin Zothanmoya on
Aldrin
behalf of
Zoltanmoya, appearing on behalf of Mr. Joseph Lalchan Himarentle, learned counsel for the respondent. A submission is made on behalf of the learned counsel for the respondent that the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulties. This court, having perused the nature of the appeal, find that it may be appropriate to refer the matter for mediation. So, the learned counsel for the appellant has prayed for time. The learned counsel for the parties, okay, have prayed for time to get instructions in the matter.
Well,
In view of the above, list in the next week.
Deeply obliged.
Resolution item 1. I apologize, Lordship. Just one small indulgence I seek, Your Lordship. This item 9 and 10. 9, I'm the appellant in both the cases. Your Lordship, I was under the impression that this item 1 would be taken up today, and that the matter would be adjourned was communicated to me only this morning. That's why the matter may be passed over for the day at least.
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
It's for Friday,
Okay, deeply
listed
obliged.
for hearing for Friday, if
Very
I'm
well.
not mistaken, isn't it? So we'll hear it tomorrow.
So just abundant precaution.
For what? You want more time or what? You have today's time to prepare for tomorrow?
That's fine, Your Lordship. As far as 9 is concerned, Your Lordship, I will tomorrow I will apprise this honorable court that there's one connected case.
Okay.
The issue is that it arises out of one and the same family settlement. There's a family settlement by way of which properties were distributed. So in respect of the same appellant but different respondent, there is one second appeal pending. And
So we'll see.
so
see
that's
tomorrow.
what I'm saying. I'll apprise.
Number 9. So 10 we can hear it tomorrow.
Then we can make an attempt, Your Lordship. I will
It's a
inform
Mac
the.
appeal. Come prepared. We'll
My
dispose
lord,
it
item
of-
9, whether it could, it may be taken up next week if my learned friend agrees with it.
No, come tomorrow. It's been fixed for tomorrow. So we'll consider the matter tomorrow. What? Why next week? He's saying next week. Why next week? Can't we have it tomorrow?
It may not be possible tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Why?
As I was saying, Your Lordship, there is one connected case.
So the connected case will be disposed of by this thing or what? Next
I'm
week?
not sure. I'm not sure.
Then
Because that connected case will have to be decided first. In my humble opinion. I will give the
so
details
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
You make your submissions tomorrow. Let's see.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this thing?
my
Next week, that connected case which you're mentioning, is it going to be disposed of so that we can fix this matter
I
next
don't know
week?
whether it's going to be
So
listed
find
tomorrow.
out.
Or
okay.
my lord, it may be listed again next week. In the meantime, we'll find it out.
No, you find out.
Yes.
Find out today,
Yes, your lord.
and then we'll consider tomorrow. If it's,
Sure.
Isn't it?
My lord.
Obliged.
Admission item 1.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this case, there are two respondent authorities, state respondents and the MADC, Mara Autonomous District Council. Both of them had filed a counter affidavit. I had already filed my reply in respect of the affidavit filed by the MADC, but I need some more time for filing reply against the counter affidavit of the state.
Okay.
I may be granted 2 weeks' time.
Heard Mr. Victor L. Aralde, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he may be given, who has prayed for further time. You had prayed also
Yes,
for
my
further time in the last court date.
Recently, I had filed reply affidavit in respect of the counter affidavit of the
Who has
MADC.
prayed for time to file his counter affidavit to the, his reply affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the
State.
state respondents. In view of the above, list after, how long will it take?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks, full stop. The presence of Ms. Lalundui, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Mr.
Stephen Lalbuatsaya.
Stephen Lalbuatsaya, learned counsel for respondents
1 to
number
3.
1 to 3 is noted.
Yes, my lord. The interim order may be continued for time.
Meanwhile, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Item 2.
Yes,
My lord, let the appeal be admitted, and in the meantime, LCR be called for. If
okay,
the-
notice complete?
Yes, my lord.
Parties, both the parties represented? Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. L.H. Leonchima, learned senior counsel for the appellant, assisted by Ms. Ruth Lalwatfeli, learned counsel. Also heard Ms. Lalundui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Since notice is complete, heard both the parties, appeal is admitted. Full stop, appeal is admitted. This is the matter for hearing.
LCR, my lord.
Yes,
LCR be called for.
after 2 weeks. Meanwhile, LCR is to be called for, TCR is to be called.
TCR, obliged.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 3.
May it please your lordship. My lord, notice upon respondent number 1 is complete, and even though the respondent number 2 had received the notice, but they failed to write the acknowledgement receipt. To that
Who is
effect,
representing one? One is represented?
1 is already represented.
2 is not represented, is it?
Yes, my lord, and they are also only pro forma, my lord. And in the first appeal also, they are not represented. They refuse to contest. Actually, we do not have any pleadings against them. So,
Okay, I heard Mr. Lalbiak Nunganamte, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that notice upon respondent number, the respondents, okay, is complete, and affidavit, is complete through the ASTI service, and affidavit to that effect has been duly filed. On perusal of the affidavit filed by the appellant, it is seen that notice upon respondent number 2 was received on where's this thing, his signature?
the acknowledgement receipt was not taken back, my lord, because they refused to sign the
Okay,
affidavit.
submits that notice upon respondent number 2 could not be served since the respondent number 2 refused to accept notice. Full stop. The learned counsel also submitted that the respondent number 2 are only pro forma respondents, while notice upon respondent number 1 was duly served. Full stop. It is seen that the respondent number 1 is duly represented by Mr.
H. Lalswanama.
H. Malsoma.
H. Lalswanama.
H. Lalsoma, learned counsel. In view of the above, notice is deemed to be complete upon the respondents. Yes.
In the meantime, my lord, PCR may be called. because
Wait, what are the substantial questions of law?
Substantial question of law, I have,
Have they been,
yes, my lord. I have submitted and it's not yet formulated. I have proposed at page 193A.
see, why do you want the TCR when you have filed such a thick appeal? Everything should be available here. Why is the case record required? All the material, everything is here. What is the, substantial questions? of law?
193A at my petition, my lord. My proposed substantial question of law is. I have only proposed two substantial question of law, my lord.
Where's the impugned judgment? Is it concerning a limitation?
Yes, my lord.
Where's the operative part? Because your substantial question of law is only regarding condonation of delay, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Section
Denial
five.
of subsequent filing of condonation of delay. And
So what is where's the operative part? Which was disposed of on those grounds?
yes, at page 20 through 23, my lord. Page 23 of my petition.
Okay, delay of 87 days and no separate application.
Yes.
You will see, it's concerning condonation of delay. So yeah, RFA was dismissed.
Yes, my lord.
You didn't look into the merits of the matter. The merits of the case was not considered by the first appellate court, is it?
Yes, my lord.
The substantial questions of law.
My lord, if I may, because there is a question of maintainability of this second appeal. So even if LCR is called, then the case may be kept open for maintainability issue.
The substantial questions of law proposed are, number one, whether the denial of filing of subsequent condonation application by the first appellate court is in violation of Section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act. Then full stop. Then two, whether denial of withdrawal of the appeal by the first appellate court is in violation of CPC 1908. So you had prayed for withdrawal?
Yes, I have, due to the mistakes committed by us, we have prayed for withdrawal, but however, it was dismissed on the same date, my lord.
We'll have to look at that. Anyways, we'll look into all those later. Then Mr. No, full stop. Then the learned counsel for the respondent also submits that the instant regular second appeal is not maintainable in its present form and style, and submits that the maintainability of the said RSA may also be considered in the next date. Both the parties submit that the TCR is required in the instant case. In view of the above, TCR to be called for. List after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
Item 4.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, in this case, I'm for the appellant. I would like to submit one small application for amendment of my pleadings. I just want to add 2 more grounds of appeal.
Then you just sing an IA for that.
Yes, Your Lordship,
Because
I'll
notice
I'll
already
take the necessary
complete.
steps.
Yes. I heard Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that he may be allowed to file an application for amendment of the instant appeal.
Appeal.
Good stuff. Accordingly, list the matter after 2 weeks or 1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
Be done.
Then the presence of Mr.
Samuel Alumpu.
Samuel so and so, learned counsel appearing. Is your name here? Or
Yes, my
appearing, for the
Respondent number 1.
1 and Ms. Lal Nunhui, learned government advocate for the state respondent
Yes.
is noted. Yes, list after. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Yes, Lordship, this matter has been referred for mediation, but however, no settlement could be made
Couldn't
between the
settle?
parties. Yes, between the parties.
So what is the state?
Pleadings has not been completed yet, Lordship. The state has to file their affidavit.
Why couldn't you settle? What is the matter about?
Lordship, there was some encroachment in the petitioner's land. The department, the state department has built a
That there's no
yes, they
encroachment.
have constructed a building in our land.
Oh. So you file your counter.
Yes, Your Lordship. If I may be granted 3 weeks time, Your Lordship, to file the counter affidavit.
Ms. Malswamy, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Ms. Lal Nuntui, learned government advocate. It is seen that the parties could not come to any settlement through mediation. Stop. The learned counsel for the learned government advocate has prayed for time to file the counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 6.
May it please your lordship, my lord, this matter was also came back from the mediation. Unfortunately, no settlement could be made.
Right.
Pleadings are not completed as of date. Affidavit in opposition has been filed by the respondent number 4 to 8.
Okay.
My Lord, I'm for respondent number 1. I may be given 2 weeks time for filing my affidavit.
Heard Mr. Aldrin Zothanmoy, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the matter could not be settled through mediation. Stop. Ms. Zarim Sankwi, learned counsel for respondent,
Respondent number
learned
1.
CGC for respondent number 1, has prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. While who has filed?
My Lord,
government?
appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Samuel
Yes.
Valenciata.
Have you filed your counter affidavit?
No, my Lord, similar prayer.
And my lord, also respondent number 9, it appears that respondent number 9 remains unrepresented as of date.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents, 4 to 8. We have filed our affidavit on the 25th of August, Your Lordship.
Wait, respondent number 9, was notice complete upon them? Who is respondent number 9?
Is the construction company GVV Construction Private Limited.
So last court date, it said that we missed a return of AD card from respondent number 9. Then so far, AD card is not returned, is it? Let's
Yes,
see.
my lord. Perhaps the registry can check.
No, AD card not returned till date, not returned till date. When was notice issued? So do you want to issue fresh notice since the matter was referred to mediation, etc.? Maybe
Perhaps, my lord, we can wait
fresh-
or the registry.
fresh notice be issued because it's coming back from mediation.
My lord.
Okay. So CG, okay, learned CGC has paid for further time to file their counter affidavit. Full stop. Same prayer is made on behalf of Mr. Samuel. Is it? Sante, learned counsel for respondent number
2 and 3, my Lord.
2 and 3 for filing of the counter affidavit. Then Ms. Nandungui, learned government advocate, submits that they have filed their counter affidavit. On perusal of the office note, it is seen that AD card from respondent number 3 is not returned till date.
Respondent number 9.
Respondent number 9, yes, is not returned till date. In view of the above, the petitioner may take steps for issuance of fresh notice upon respondent number 9 to registered post with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
My lord, be obliged.
Item 7.
May it please Lordship, this matter is challenge to suspension of Chakma Autonomous District Council governor rules, my lord. Actually, my lord, as per the previous court order, we are directed to serve notice to respondent number 4. So we have done, and that on 18 August, that notice was received by respondent number 4. And we had filed affidavit also on 21st August. So, my lord, I have been instructed that Mary is going to appear for respondent number 4 also for all the respondents.
Yes, no, Mary L. This thing, Kiantia Land government has prayed for time to file the counter affidavit.
Yes, 2 weeks.
So,
That
so
time,
we'll wait for some more time.
Your Lordship, actually, I have instruction that 1 week, because that on 11 September, August, she prayed 2 weeks time. So this today is after 4 weeks.
So where's Miss Mary now?
Yes, Your Lordship, she is indisposed today and I'm appearing on her behalf. And Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions as to the filing of the affidavit in position. So if time may be given to us, Your Lordship. Week's time may be given, Your Lordship.
Here the last order was that respondent number 4 notice was steps for service of notice. Have you taken steps?
Yes, my lord, as I submitted, my lord, on 18, notice was received by respondent number 4.
Through
On
Dusty
21st,
mode.
yes,
Wait,
on 20,
so let's note that first. Yes. Heard Mr. J.C. London Sanga, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that service upon respondent number 4 through Dusty mode was done and affidavit to that effect has been filed. Full stop. On perusal of the affidavit filed, it is seen that notice was received by respondent number 4 on 18/08/2025. Full stop. However, none appeared for
Mary is appearing.
number 4.
Miss Mary is appearing for respondent number 4.
It is submitted at the bar that Miss Mary L. Kiante, learned government advocate, will be representing respondent number 4. So, however, Mr. Nundui, learned government advocate, appearing on behalf of Miss Mary L. Kiante, has prayed for adjournment by submitting that Miss Mary L. Kiante is not able to appear, being indisposed. In view of the above,
She
let the
prayed 1
matter
week.
after
1 week she prayed.
Your
1
Lordship,
week.
there is no guarantee that she'll be appearing in the next week either. So if 2 weeks time may be granted.
so because she has to file a counter also,
Yes,
isn't
Your
it? In
Lordship.
view of this after 2
My lord,
weeks
at
for
least-
the respondents to file their
Can I have my lord
affidavits.
dates? Because this time also we fixed 2 weeks.
2 weeks on, give a date then.
My lord, when we have this on 18 September, Your Lordship?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have no objection to that.
18th, a Thursday, because 19th there's a program. Okay, let's see, 18th, 9th, 2020. Yes.
Your Lordship.
Item 8.
But I have been informed that your lordship may not be pleased to take up this matter. Mr. A.R.
Pardon?
Malhotra appears for respondent number 7.
Oh, then this court cannot take up the
Lord-
matter, isn't it? So list this matter before any other bench except this bench, within brackets, my name. Okay?
My lord, if the matter can be fixed for admission hearing on 13th of October.
But there is an interim order also.
Before any other bench, it will be listed.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Your Lordship, in this case, this bench has expressed its inability to take up the matter.
Pardon?
Your Lordship had expressed your inability to take up the
Or
matter due to...
previously? Why?
Previously, Your Lordship, I think 2 court dates ago. I believe this is that Lok Adalat matter where Your Lordship had passed the...
Okay, where maybe I had,
Yes,
So,
Mr. Arzo Moy, I believe, close relative.
so, in which one? This matter? Oh. Oh, yes, yes.
So since there's...
But it's not been reflected here, is it? Because in the orders, it's not been reflected. Anyway.
This was supposed to come up before Justice Begum.
Yes, anyway, in the orders passed, I don't think I had reflected to this matter before any other court, isn't it? So, this matter before any other bench except this bench, within brackets.
I have one small prayer, Your Lordship. Since there's uncertainty with next week's bench, roster, if the matter can be taken up on the 23rd, if possible, since that is already a declared roster.
Okay, as per, and matter be listed before the next available bench on
23rd.
23rd, 8/20/25. Yes.
23rd 9, Your Lordship.
Oh yes, 23rd 9.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 10.
My Lord, I am standing on behalf of the main council. Ms. Mary also instructed me that both of them are having some inconvenience in their personal. Because of that, may this matter be taken up after the vacation?
So both the councils?
Yes, both the council are having some inconvenience, personal inconvenience.
A mention is made on behalf of the learned councils for both the parties for adjournment of the matter. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
After the vacation.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, for the petitioner, but I'm not the main council.
In view of the above, list after the ensuing vacations. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item 11.
My Lord, as per the office note, it is seen that the notice is still under transit. So if I may be allowed to take a fresh step.
When did you issue notice?
Um,
When were steps taken? June?
in June.
What is the address? June, July, August, September. 3 weeks. Here, postal consignment tracking has been done.
Yes, my Lord, and it shows that it is still in transit.
Where does it show that it's in transit? That's what I'm trying to find out. Item bagged, so-and-so, time so-and-so, item dispatched, so-and-so, Isol NSH. Okay, we'll fix another date.
Yes, my Lord.
Miss?
Laltlan Louis.
Laltlan Louis, learned counsel for the appellant is present, while none appeared for the respondents. It is seen in the office note dated 29/08/2025 that as per the postal consignment tracking report, the consignments are still in transit. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks awaiting for service of notice upon the respondents. Yes.
Orders, item 12.
My Lord, the leading counsel is Mr. A.R. Malhotra.
My Lord, there's a scope for outside settlement and negotiation is still going on between the parties. So if this matter may kindly be...
List this matter before any other bench except this bench, okay, within brackets, my name. Because one of the councils is A. Malhotra, therefore I cannot take up the matter. So any other bench, when it comes up, maybe by that time they would have settled the matter, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
They're trying to settle outside court.
Yeah, the negotiation is still going on.
By next date, hopefully they would have settled, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, oblige.
Okay.
Item 13.
Paper book ready?
Not, we have not received yet, my lord.
Yes, please see whether paper book, preparation of paper book. It appears that paper book is ready.
No.
Then what is this here, out here?
Yes.
This is appeal?
This is jail appeal.
Jail appeal.
Jail appeal.
Yes. The last order was for preparation of paper book.
So it appears that paper book is ready. There's a copy out here. Check. Please furnish copies. Then what is this?
Oh, it's there, yes.
What? It is ready?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. You're the amicus, is it?
My lord, Michael's Epler England.
Okay, Mr. F. Lalengliana, learned amicus is present along with Miss Linda L. Fumble, learned PP for the state respondents. It is seen that paper book is ready, copy to be duly furnished to the learned councils for both the parties. List the matter for hearing in due course as per its own turn. Yes.
Item 14.
Yes, may it please your lordship, I am here for the applicant. And my lord, the AD cards in respect of respondent number 1 and 6 have not yet returned, my lord. And notice was issued on 5th May. So it has been a long time back, my lord, and a fresh notice, if I may request
the
that a
address?
fresh, pardon, my lord.
Where they're staying, what is the address, postal address?
Bethlehem, my lord.
That it should reach.
By way of Dusty, a fresh, if I may request notice to be issued again.
Yes. Miss
Rosie.
Rosie, so learned counsel for the applicant slash appellant who submits that the notice was issued to the respondents number
1 and 6, my lord.
1 and 6 during the month of March, is it 2025?
April. May, my
During the
lord.
month of May.
Yes, my lord.
2025. However, AD card is not returned till date. Okay. The learned counsel submits that they may be allowed to serve notice upon the respondents number
1 and 6.
1 and 6 through dusty mode. Praise aloud. Notice be served upon respondents number 1 and 6 through dusty mode. An affidavit to that effect to be filed accordingly. Stop. The presence of Miss Linda L. Fumble, learned additional AG for state respondents, okay, is noted. Yes. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.